ta miaka itano thutha wa thirikari kwitukira ministry ya kigina kuruguria noti njeru cia mbeca cia guku bururi-ini riu noti ici ni itanyite gwikwo mogaruruku makiria. Kuringana na gavana wa Bengi nene Dagitari KAMAU THUGGE, kwa ihinda riri noti cia mbeca itanyite gucenjerio maundu mana ari hamwe na thairi ya gavana mweru wa Bengi nene, thairi ya mwandiki mukaru ruhonge-ini rwa kigina Dagitari Chris Kipto. Gucenjio kwa mwaka wa gucabu ari mwaka turi wa 2024 o hamwe na gwikirwo kwa raini cia mwanya iria iracenjia rangi na iria itangikobio ni turia nime.
The reason why we started with the 1000 notes was that they could be a stock out of those notes actually we are projecting there could be a stock out in around July, August, and so it was really necessary that we get new notes as quickly as possible. We've started with the 1000, but the other ones will follow, and this is just the normal business of the central bank.
Ningi noti ici ni igukorwo na uhotekeku wa kumenyeka kwitukira kuhutia na ciara cia guoko kuria mundu angihota gukurana na namba iria ironania muigana wa noti ici, kuria ningi gucirora uciorotereirie utheri kuriranagia mutwe wa muruthi ritwa CBK na watermark ya Bengi ino.
The notes that we have they are getting old, and therefore we need to get a new notes. That's really the reason.
Gana na gavana Thugge ikinya riri ni kuringana na gicike 22 kia watho uramati wa Bengi nene ya CBK uria wendekithitie gukinyanirio kwa makinya makiria ma ugitiri hari ucabi wa mbeca cia Kenya. Riu Bengi ni wegitariria ati muigana munene wa noti iri ho umuthi ni irikitie gukura na itanyite gukorwo ikiuma thoko-ini na kweherera moko ma Kenya gukinyiria mweri wa 7 mwaka ukite.
The printing is being done by a German firm, and it's actually one of the best farms.
Gavana wa Bengi nene no agathiririe makinya maria ruhonge rwa kigina ruoete rugiteithiriria kugwa kwa garama ya muturire makiria hari ya Kenya unduri hari mweri wa 7 kinyanirie gicunje kia 4.6 hari igana.
The Monetary Policy Committee lowered the central bank rate, the CBR, from 13% to 12.75%. The MPC noted that its previous measures have lowered overall inflation to below the midpoint of the target range.
Bengi ino no etariria ati utonga wa bururi no wihandite wega honge cia urimi na ugendi ikigwetwo gukorwo igika wega makiria guku nacio honge cia iganda na waki wa nyumba igikururia.
The performance of manufacturing and construction sectors was subdued, partly reflecting higher production costs.
Kuona bururi wa Kenya ukoretwo ugikururia hari itariria mabururi maria mareka wega na makinyanirie kuheo ngombo thiini wa thi ni honge cia kibeca. Dagitari Thugge akaregana na uhoro wa bururi wa Kenya ni urituhirwo ni urihi wa mathiri makiria maruhonge rwa kibeca rwa IMF.
We have been able to meet all the performance criteria starting in even December of 2023. The targets we also agreed on the net international reserves for June we have met, and for December we are really on track to meet that target.
Hadina Kameme TV retora koni bataru wa Mwagi.